Definitely not the water heater. The pan is completely dry. So it's gotta be whatever that pipe is. Oh, I can see a little mist right there. So it's gotta be. Wait, no, that's gas. So it's gotta be this 1 inch right here. Boy, this water heater is old. 2006. How is that possible? Jeez. It's a clown that installed this. It's right there.
Uh-huh.
See it?
Yes, sir.
It's right on that 90. It's a tiny little pinhole. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to remove the water heater. Because I don't know how. There's just no way for me to get to that, unfortunately. So I got my guy coming. He's on his way. So I just have a feeling this thing's gonna start leaking as soon as we move it. I don't know. Maybe not. Guess we'll find out. I'm really surprised it's draining. And it's draining nicely too. I guess there's no sediment in it, or maybe not much. Alright, it drained perfectly. Self-cleaning? I don't know. Maybe it's got a couple years left in it, I don't know. We got all this out, everything's should go right back together. I cleaned all this up. There was all kinds of. There's your leak. Right here on this 90. 1 inch. Tiny little pinhole. Okay, well, let's get fixing this. Okay, so this runs behind, goes behind here, it's right there. There you go. Doesn't sound like it's slowing down at all. It may take a second, but let's hope that ball valve works. I don't see why it wouldn't. Oh, my bad. That's not even hooked up. This is the one right here. There you go. There you go. That should. Yeah, that stopped it. That stopped it.
Bone Thugs, whatever?
Crazy? Crazy Bone? Busy Bone?
No.
Wishbone?
No.
Flesh?
Okay, no.
Lazy, Crazy, Busy, Wish, and Flesh are all the Bone Thugs.
Okay, no.
Bone Thugs!
He told me the name.
Harmony!
Bros, and he's like, because now a lot of the stuff that they do, it belongs to Netflix, you know, and we're having a dispute with some shit. He had pictures with like 6, 7 little fucking young.
Alright, let me just quickly. Can you tell me if there's any leaks? See any leaks?
No, we're good. That's it.
No leaks. Nice. Nice.
You made your job so easy, fool.
Well, that's
If we would have came with Dario, he would have had us standing around for a little bit. Hey, can I get cracking? No, hold on. I gotta talk to this guy. Hold on, man. I'll let you know.
All right. This thing fired right up. No problems. Crazy. What's so funny? No, that's normal. Having to click that thing's normal. He's talking about this. I had to do that like 20 times, but that's normal. I'm surprised. I really am. I'm surprised.
It's kind of odd, huh?
2006. 2006. When you went to jail, fool. All right. Well, leaks fixed. That's it.